So right now I'm headed to Sprouts Home. Welcome to another episode of my plant shop crawl in Chicago, and today we're going to tour Sprouts Home located in West Town. Out of all the plant shops that I toured, this is the only one that had an outdoor section, and it has mostly their succulents, their larger cacti, and your typical outdoor plants. Here they have their large cacti and succulent arrangements. And in this section, they have their begonias, their caladiums, and as well as coleus. Inside the store is pretty loud, so I'll be doing voiceovers in some parts of it. And you can see here, there's a calamansi tree with really large fruits. But let's go ahead and inside and check out what kind of houseplants they have. Here we got some philodendron Birkins, some ferns, moonshine sansevieria for $25 I believe. Also got some philodendron Brazil, some monstera adansonii, and joy pothos, or I think this one is actually glacier, and some neon pothos at the back. Then they also got some baby alocasia poly. Not quite sure what that's one. I think some type of pilea or peperomia. Maidenhair fern, Stramanthe threostar, some more baby peperomias behind those ferns, and more Stramanthe threostar. Monstera adansonii with bromeliads, calatheas, and also a Rhaphidophora tetrasperma or the mini monstera. Ficus Audrey, I think that's a Ficus benjamina, ruby ficus, and also a jewel orchid for $42. More of their peperomias and prayer plants. Burgundy rubber tree, Ficus benjamina I believe. Some syngoniums at the back, baby monstera deliciosas, and up here is their selection of begonias. More of their ficus plants, the altissima, the Audrey, and the lirata or fiddle fig, and a monstera deliciosa for $15. And this one is a huge autograph plant. A vanilla orchid plant, first time seeing that in person. And here's a really cute way to have string of hearts in this really nice container. And all the way at the back we got some raindrop peperomia and some Hoyas. They got more monstera adansonii, a huge cactus, and then a wide selection of air plants. A philodendron marks right beside their selection of succulents and cacti. Ceropegia woodii or string of hearts is my first time seeing a 6-inch pot of string of hearts in person, and this one was $50, and I was tempted to get it, but it was too large for me to bring home. got a Scania Sabrina white. I think it's the same one that I have. Lots of cute pots and planters. I think this one's a tissue culture. This one's $145. I think this is the Alocasia Tiny Dancer, and it's for $36. More Alocasias. Snake plant for $26. This snake plant for $32. This one's an anthurium. It says, not sure what kind, but it's for $42. Now I'm heading to their rooftop, see if I'll see anything, but I don't really see anything except a bunch of pots. So this is the rooftop. There's just a bunch of large pots. Nothing too exciting. We're here in Sprouts Home, so really nice place, but nothing really interests me as far as plants because either I have them already or I just don't like them. The one that really just caught my eye was the string of hearts because I've never seen a string of hearts that big. But yeah, I think it's worth a visit because this is a very well-known plant shop in the Chicago area and it's located in the River West. It's half a mile away from two of the plant shops that I love going to in Chicago, the Plantier and Plant Salon. Stop by Sprouts Home if you're going to those plant shops. If you're coming from downtown, there's a bus that you could take that goes straight to here. And across the street from Sprouts Home and a few steps away is their sister store, Sprouts Home Floral and Sprouts Home Kitchen. And this reminds me of Salt and Sundry in DC, which is also the sister store of a plant shop called The Little Leaf. I toured 4 more plant shops in my plant shop crawl in Chicago. See the description for their links if they're already up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Marianne from My Wasteless Life, where I come up with houseplants and sustainable lifestyle videos every week. And if you haven't yet, check out my videos up here. Until my next one, but until then, I see you, I appreciate you, take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Bye!